Christian just gave us a nice little update on Melissa. It's crossing Cuba right now. This is all mountainous terrain in here, so it is weakening, but it's still a pretty powerful hurricane, Cat 3. Might weaken to a Cat 2 by the time it moves through the southern part of the Bahama chain. Temperatures locally are very cold this morning. We've got 30s and some 20s over the interior. Cold spot is Holton, 25 degrees. Coastline, you see a few towns in the 40s, but you also factor in wind, and it feels more like 30s just about everywhere, or 20s over the interior. So the wind is an issue again today. We do have clouds overhead from an offshore storm. Rain with it, though, won't get to us. It will with this low, which will pass through Thursday night and Friday. Let's go over today first. Sunshine mixed with clouds this morning. These clouds are pretty thin clouds, so you're going to see some rays through it. But with the sun angle so low, it's not going to warm us much. It's still going to feel pretty cold, so dress warmly. Midday, partly sunny. Temps recover, but it's still brisk with that breeze. Then the breeze begins to relax during the afternoon, and it'll be much calmer late this afternoon and evening, and really no change to the sky cover. Areas of clouds and areas of sun, no rain out there, so you're in good shape in that department. Normal high is 55. Today, we're going to come up a couple of degrees short, and we're all going to be right in the same boat here, 52, 53, 54 degrees, somewhere in that ballpark. Tomorrow, the front's entering the northeast with clouds on the increase. There's Melissa, which will inject moisture into this front, leading to some downpours tomorrow night and Friday morning. And then the low moves north of us Friday afternoon and evening and out of here for the weekend. The weekend will be bright. A lot of sun on Saturday, even more sun on Sunday. But Sunday's going to be the colder of the two weekend days. We're going to struggle. We may not get to 50 in some towns. Picking up the timeline tomorrow evening, 6 o'clock. Most of Maine rain-free, but showers begin to blossom over southwestern areas, I should say, during the afternoon and evening. And we are going to see some downpours. It is going to pour during the overnight. And for the morning commute, it looks like on Friday, especially for northern and eastern Maine. But there will be heavy showers that will be popping up, scattered around in southern Maine too. So that morning commute might be a little tough. Then the heavy rain's gone, and we'll probably get into some sunny breaks by midday. Here's the evening, 7 o'clock, so right in the middle of trick-or-treating time. Dry throughout the state. Breezy and cool, yes, but at least the kids won't be dodging those raindrops. Gale watch sees 4 to 6, northeast wind 10 to 20 knots. Partly sunny today with highs between 50 and 55. Tomorrow increasing clouds, a late day or evening shower, 52. Most of the rain holds off until Thursday night and Friday morning and then tapers off. And we'll see some clearing in the afternoon. It is going to be mild, at least relative to the other 7 days. 60 degrees on Halloween, that's your high temperature. And over the weekend, looking at a lot of sunshine, a little blustery on Saturday in the mid-50s. Sunday, less wind, a high near 50 degrees. And with the time change, it's going to be kind of alarming when that sun sets Sunday afternoon at 4:30. So, I don't like that.
Yeah, it's not our favorite thing to focus on, but you keep bringing it up.
I'm sorry. It is my fault, after all. All right, thanks, sir.
Thanks, Todd.